I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dog.
Hello. I just drove to school and I have a lab and I have to study for my finals and I'm gonna stay at school to study. I don't know when was the last time I vlogged, but I honestly just wanted to show you guys my outfit. There's a lot of layering going on. I have a bit of time to kill, so I'm gonna go take some pictures and also show you guys my outfit. But I just wanted to show you guys my makeup today. I kind of feel cute, but it's really ugly today. It's raining. It's raining. If it was a bit colder, it would be snowing right now, but it is not. Okay.
Shut the goddamn door!
Find out who it is. For the mom.
It's my lover. My lover.
Every solution can better than damn right. Look, I'm not saying you left. I know.
Thank you. School today. I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining. Unfortunately.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, pride of the God. Gotta watch the time, it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just do on a really, it's a screenshot. Waited out the nigga, nothing finished, you know. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting clear.
Hey guys, I just finished my lab. Another day, another lab. It was really long. So I was saying I parked at a parking that is maximum 2 hours and I've been in that spot for like 3 hours and a half. So I have to go there and check if I got a parking ticket or not. And I'm gonna go change spots also because it's too risky. Guys, I just got a parking ticket. I'm just contemplating not driving to school anymore and just taking the bus. Like, I'm so mad. Okay, I have an hour before class, but I was gonna head back to school, but I'm in a really bad mood right now. So I'm just gonna eat my lunch here instead. I'm gonna go to class and then, yeah. But I'm heading to class today. It's Friday, and I think that today is my last day of class. And I have my final presentation. I'm very excited to be done with this project.
Once I stop, like, when I go for vacation, I'll stop. It's 7:30 to 3:30.
Straight.